back, or welcome if you're new here. Thanks for stopping by the Priceless Pearl Life Lifestyle Channel with me, Katrina.
Hurt each other. We try.
So today we're back in my Priceless Pearl Life kitchen. And this time I'm cooking up a little breakfast here on the Johnson Ranch. I went to bed last night and I didn't eat too much. So you know how that goes. You wake up the next morning and you're thinking, I need a big breakfast. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new here. Let's enjoy this breakfast video together.
Holy Spirit, ooh. It's the love that we long for, bring us together, make the broken things new. God, we want more of you. We're longing for your heart. Yeah. You're kind.
I did not feel like turning the oven on, but you know, toast is so good when you add a little margarine, butter. You see how I'm doing here. This always reminds me of my grandmother's house when she would just take that butter or that margarine and smother it over that bread, put it in the oven. You would have that crunchiness of the toast and then that buttery, soft like pillow in the middle. Oh, Grandma, you were the best. Well, anyway, I just had to come in here and talk about my grandmama's toast.
It's the love that we long for, bring us together, make the broken things new. God, we want more of you, of you. We're longing for your heart. Yeah. We're longing for your heart. Yeah. We're longing for your heart. Yeah. God, we want more of you. Yeah. Come, Holy Spirit, and move, move. It's the love that we long for to bring us together, make the broken things new. God, we want more of you, of you. We longing for your heart. We're longing for your heart. We're longing for your heart. We're longing for your heart. Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as my family enjoyed this breakfast. Make sure you like, leave a kind comment below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I am Katrina, and I love all things home decor, cooking, cleaning, vlogs, and shopping hauls. So if those are things that interest you, go ahead and subscribe and become a part of my growing YouTube family. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. But in the meantime, in between time, don't forget to check out my cooking playlist. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.